All right, everybody. Anthony Thornton here. I'm going to spend about 5 minutes showing you how to get your buyers access to homes that they cannot find anywhere online. So let's look at the sources. We have FMLS, and all I did was set up some criteria in FMLS where I put in withdrawn or expires in the last 90 days, detached and attached. I just chose Gwinnett County because that's where I live, 225 to 499, 4 bedrooms or more, which is pretty much what most people are looking for. And then they showed up 142 matches, right? So it's some pretty nice homes in here. As you see, here's one in Loganville for 245. Who knows why these people didn't sell? So all you would do in here is just set up an email, send it out to your client, and then you could set them up on a steady drip of just homes that fit whatever criteria they're looking for, withdrawn expireds, whatever counties they're interested in, and then price points, right? Georgia MLS basically did the same exact thing. Gwinnett County, contingent with kickout. That means for you new agents that never heard of that, they have a contract already. But what they're saying is they get a new contract. They'll actually go back, a new contract from somebody that does not have a home to sell. They'll go back to their current buyer and say, hey, we got a new contract from somebody who doesn't have a home to sell like you do have a home to sell. Would you be willing to remove your contingency? And they say yes. And then if they say yes, they get to keep the contract in place. If they say no, they go with you. All right, so there were 166, you see here in the right-hand corner. So 142, 166. And then the next thing we clicked on was HUD Home Store. HUD Home Store is where all the HUD home foreclosures are. And all I put in was Georgia. There's 9 there, 9, as you see here, 9 foreclosures, right? Right here, 9. This is only for HUD. And then I went to foreclosure.com. Foreclosure.com. I just put in Atlanta, and it pulled up, as you see here, 977 homes that have foreclosed that your buyers could get access to. So as I'm going through these different lists, all you would do is put your buyer's criteria in here and just copy the link up here and send it to them in a text message. That's all you would do. You can do it in sync. Send it out, once a week, letting them know that you are working hard, getting them access to homes that they cannot find on their own. Then you could go to everybody's best friend, Zillow, and all I did was click go to Zillow. I hovered over buy, and the only thing I care about is foreclosure. For sale by owners. And so when I pulled up for sale by owners in Gwinnett County, as you see here, 66 for sale by owners came up. You guys already know how to get your fee from for sale by owners. If not, you need to reach out to me and I can train you on it. New Home Source is another one where you can find new construction homes, right? New construction homes that are not listed in MLS or FMLS. And keep in mind on Zillow, they have new construction here also, right? New construction coming soon, all kinds of different homes. And then lastly, here, I just went to Facebook and I typed in Atlanta investor groups. And as you see, there are tons and tons of investor groups here that would love to send you list of homes that they are rehabbing and putting together for their clients. I advise you when you do sign up with these places that you use a separate email or create a separate email just for these homes, because you will get thousands and thousands and thousands of listings. So let's count how many sources. FMLS 1, Georgia MLS 2, HUD Home Store 3, foreclosure.com 4, Zillow 5, New Home Source 6, and then of course Facebook. So there are 7 sources, and I've counted over 1,300 homes right now today as I'm doing this video in Gwinnett County that people want to sell. Your buyers do not know about them. That's just Gwinnett County. Imagine if you added other counties. So just copy the links, send it out to your clients, and then in a separate training, we'll show you how to get inside the home, which is simply sending the client a letter. It has your buyer's approval in it. It has a letter from your buyer with pictures of them and their family. You guys know our package. It has a pre-approval letter. It has your bio in it. And it has anything that you can add, your business cards, how to contact you. It also has our 24-month buyback guarantee inside the letter. All you do is mail these letters out to these clients, and then only 40% are going to respond back to you. So your process works like this. Your buyer gets these lists from you. Step one, they drive by the ones that they like. Step two, the ones that they like, the pictures, and they also like the area, they give you a list of those homes, and you want at least 10 or 20 of these. Once you get the 10 or 20 of these, you can mail out or drive by and put letters in their mailbox. Expect 40% of the people to respond to you. Or on Zillow, if you do for sale by owners, if you click on any of these for sale by owners, guess what? Ding, ding, ding. It has their contact information somewhere in here on Zillow. So to contact, so you can contact the for sale by owner directly about any listings on Zillow, anything that they, if you want to talk to them about it, you have all the stuff that you need here on Zillow. So you have to just look through here and find it. Okay. Also, you could go through the tax records if you cannot find a telephone number, and go through the tax records and send these people a letter, or just drive by. And this is a beautiful home, by the way. All right. So now you know how to be a top real estate agent and not be average like the other real estate agents that are out here in the marketplace, only showing homes on FMLS or MLS. Don't be that agent. We make more money than any agent in Metro Atlanta and also the state of Georgia, averaging 4% commission. You got to work your butt off for your clients to get it. When they see you doing stuff like this is how you get 5-star reviews. This is how you get referrals. This is how you get video testimonials. I hope you do it because if not, you're becoming a dinosaur in real estate, and I don't want that to happen to you. So go serve big. And if you have any questions on how this process works, watch this video 5 more times. And then if you have any questions after that, make sure you give me a call. Have a great day, guys. See ya.